Okay, now we're gonna make a hot chocolate with the new machine. We still put the same amount of the chocolate as normal, as the old machine.
How many do we put?
1.5 cup. Okay.
Is that it? Yeah.
And that's the water button. And to automatically stop. Yeah, we use a bit hot water to milk the chocolate. And now we're gonna heat up the milk. Heat up the milk for hot chocolate is very similar as latte coffee, but I think you probably just need to put a little bit more milk than normal because for coffee we have less milk. Yeah, maybe put it between 1.5 cup, right in the middle,
Yeah.
to make sure we have enough milk for the customer. Alright. When we frost the milk or heat up the milk, we use the latte button, which is on the right hand.
Well, you can use
And the automatic stop anyway. And keep not the chocolate. Temperature will go up to 68 this time, I think. See, let's stop. Alright, before we pour the milk in, again, make sure we clean it first. And especially the small sensor. Okay, make sure the small sensor will clean up properly. And then see the light flaking, and then press any button, it will automatically clean up. And now we can put the milk into the coffee cup. And that's it. We can put some chocolate powder on top. And that's it. That's a proper hot chocolate. And meantime, after that, please put some water into the milk jug. And clean up. Yeah. And that's it.